Good day, mathematics learners. My name is Teacher Jerome, your mathematics teacher for today. We are going to discuss base and exponents. Here are the following objectives we are expected to learn after the discussion. Describes the exponents and the base in a number expressed in exponential notation. Gives the value of numbers expressed in exponential notation. Let's begin. First, multiply the following numbers. Number 1. 6 times 6 equals. Correct. 36 is the answer. Number 2. 5 times 5 times 5 equals. That's right. 125 is the answer. Number 3. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 equals. Good job. The answer is 1024. There we go. Look at this equation. You can see that writing or reading number 4 for so many times is quite time-consuming or confusing. Don't worry, we have another way to show that equation. It can be written as 4 raised to the 5th power equals 1024. We call it exponential notation or exponential form. Exponential notation or exponential form has two parts. The base, which is being multiplied repeatedly, and the exponent, which tells how many times the base is being multiplied. Let's have another example. We have here 2 times 2 times 2, which is an example of expanded form. We can see that 2 is being multiplied repeatedly. This is what we call the base. The base is being multiplied 3 times, and that's the exponent. When we write this in exponential notation or exponential form, we will have 2 cubed or 2 to the 3rd power. Now solving 2 times 2 times 2 or 2 cubed will give you 8, and that is the standard form. Let us have another example. Now we have 5 times 5. We can see that 5 is the base. 5 is being multiplied twice, so its exponent is 2. We can write that in exponential notation or exponential form like this. There we go. We read this as 5 squared or 5 to the 2nd power. Now 5 times 5 or 5 squared is equal to 25, which is the standard form. Let's have another one. In expanded form, we have 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. The base here is 6, and the base is being multiplied 4 times, so the exponent is 4. Here's how we write that in exponential notation. There we go. We read this as 6 to the 4th power. Now, the value or the standard form of that number is 1296. Awesome! I have here some trivias. Did you know that all numbers has an invisible exponent? You hear it right. All numbers has an invisible exponent of number 1. When a number has an exponent of 1, it is always equal to the number itself. So 4 raised to the first power is equal to 4. 12 raised to 1 is 12. 25 raised to the first power is 25. Let's have another trivia. Did you know that there are numbers with an exponent of 0? That's right. These numbers are always equal to 1. So 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 7 with an exponent of 0 is equal to 1. And 75 that has an exponent of 0 equals 1. Again, when a number that has an exponent of 0, its value or its standard form is always 1. Amazing! Now let's try to answer this. Complete the table. If 8 is the base and 2 is the exponent, what is its exponential notation? Correct! 8 squared, or 8 to the second power, is the answer. What about its expanded form? That's right! 8 times 8. And the value of this number is... Good job! It's 64. Let's try another one. If 10 to the fourth power is the exponential notation, what is its base? That is correct. 10 is the base. What is its exponent? Very good. 4 is the exponent. Now, the value of the expanded form, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is... That is right. 10,000 is the correct answer. Wonderful! Let us answer another one. What is the base in 6 cubed, or 6 to the third power? That's correct. 6 is the base in 6 cubed. Next, what is the exponent in 10 to the 7th power? Excellent! 7 is the exponent of 10 raised to the 7th power. The value of 100 raised to 0 is... Correct! The value of 100 raised to 0 is 1. 25 raised to 1 is equal to... Very good! The value of 25 raised to 1 is 25. Last one. What is the value of 5 raised to the 5th power? Correct! 3,125 is the answer. Good job, learners! Now, here are the things that you learned today. Always remember that every day can be a mathematics day. Again, I am Teacher Jerome, your mathematics teacher of the day.